guys, what's up? We are going another place. Where are we going?
Sajikot.
Sajikot, I don't know. It's near to Abbottabad in Pakistan. So we are going. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? Here are we. Where is this place? So we are here at Waterfall Dam with some fellows of university, and this is the worst trip ever. And this is the Waterfall Dam. When I think of past, it always excited me about future. Being human, we expect from our lives that prettier days to come. Some of us struggle and some of us stop living. These mountains tells me that human has a life. When I think of all the time, those memories bring me on a fresh smile. Everyone's life has changed. Everyone has something new to look forward. While some are busy in same place with their jobs, while others living different lives. Oh hey guys, what's up? We are here at I don't know what the name of the place, but we're here. There's a waterfall over here, and this is so beautiful. Hey! This is Sajikot. There is a waterfall downstairs over there. So I'll go right now. So I'm just going down. We're looking for my friends. Where are my friends, by the way? I don't know. This place is amazing. So we are just going over there, and hi. We will cook for a while. We're cooking. We're making barbecues over there. And this is the Omar, our friend, and there's gonna go. Hi. Hello. So, still on our routes. We have to reach over there within few minutes. Then we will have snacks. Then we would love to gossip and sing a song. That's all. So there are a lot of people who want to swim over there, and I'm just enjoying the views and shooting and making vlog for you people. There's a guy. Hello.